So here we have a capacitor. Basically capacitor consists of two plates, two infinite plates which are kept close to each other. Okay, capacitor consists of two plates which are kept close to each other. We can change the distance between the plates of the capacitor. We can decrease or we can increase it. Okay, yeah. Similarly we can change the area of the capacitor, increase it or decrease it. Now we want to charge this capacitor. Basically what we want positive charges on one plate, negative on the other plate. Now how do we do it? We can do it by connecting this capacitor or this collection of two plates. This whole collection is called a capacitor. Okay, yeah. By connecting them to a battery. Okay, so what a battery does, battery provides potential difference between the plates. Battery provides potential difference between the plates. So when you connect it to a battery, this is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery, and when you connect these plates of the capacitor, this is what happens. Your positive plate gets a positive charge and the negative plates gets a negative charge, and your capacitor is now charged. Now even if you disconnect the battery, the capacitor plates will remain charged, and now you have a charged capacitor which you can use. So if you look at the charge distribution of these plates, if I give them some thickness, this is how it will look like. यहाँ पे here we have all the positive charges and यहाँ पे we will have negative charges. यहाँ zero charges होंगे basically, क्योंकि both the plates will have equal and opposite charges. See, one thing you should remember, battery only provides potential difference. Battery cannot provide charges. Like motor में पानी थोड़ी ना होता है. Motor can move water from one place to another. It itself is not a source of water. So battery is not a source of charges. It's like motor. It can take charges from one place and transfer it in another place. तो ये बैटरी ने सपोज 1 माइक्रोकूलम का चार्ज यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे डाल दिया, समझे? तो यहाँ -1 माइक्रोकूलम हो गया, यहाँ +1, तो टोटल चार्ज 0 होना चाहिए. रिमेंबर दैट.